What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Michelangelo from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and add a curve for the top of the muzzle. We're going to start over on the left side. We're going to bend this up and towards the middle, go across, and then bring that down towards the right. Now let's tuck the eyes in behind. So we're going to leave a large gap in the center. Let's go over towards the left. We're going to draw an oval. Start by going up, round out the eye, and come down. Just tuck that in. And then we'll line this up on the right, going up towards the same height, go around the outside of the eye, and then back in. Let's pull the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw a small oval, going up, and then down in behind. Let's add a circle along the top of the pupils for a highlight. And then we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Now we're going to add a fold above the top of the mask. So on the left side, we're going to step out. Just going to follow that curve of the eye going up, come around, and then down on the inside. Just line this up on the right, going above the right eye, and then down towards the side. Now on the inside, we're going to step up and add a fold coming down and up. Now I'm going to go back underneath the eyes and draw the bottom of the mask. I'm going to go out, and then bend that down towards the side of the head. Let's add a fold. Curve this out and then back in. We'll add another fold. Stepping out, I'm going to go out, go up, and then in behind the brow. Now we're going to draw on the top of the head. Let's start on the left side. We're going to curve this up, go across, and then back down. Now from the bottom of the muzzle, we're going to step down and draw in the mouth. Let's start on the left side, curve this down, go across, and then up. Then we're going to add a bracket on the corners of the mouth. Let's move in. We're going to open up the mouth, starting on the left, coming down, around, and then up. Let's add the tongue across the bottom of the mouth, starting on the left, going up. We're going to add a fold, step back, go up, and then down towards the right. Let's fill the inside of the mouth in black, going above the tongue. Now just underneath the mouth, we're going to add the lip, starting on the left, curve this down, go across, and then back up. Let's move back to the bottom corners of the mask and draw on the cheeks. We're going to start on the left. We're going to bump the head going out, round out the cheek, and just tuck that in towards the side of the lip. Let's go over towards the right side and do the same thing. Going out, come around towards the bottom, and then in. Over on the left side of the mask, we're going to add that knot. Let's start up here with a half circle, going out and then in. Let's go up to the top, bend this out, in, and then back out. Let's draw the inside, coming in, and then down. Now I want to add one more point, starting out here, going out and then down. Bend this up, in, and then up, in behind the knot. And then we're going to add a fold in the center. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Michelangelo from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.